Whew, it's been a while, man. Guys, I tell you what, man. Where has life been, man? I ain't been dropping a sneaker video in a minute. Yo, I want to say, first of all, hey, I'm sorry, guys, all right? But I know what I'm bringing to you right now is a 2023 release, and I know it's 2024, late 2024, actually, of January. But, hey, what can I say? These sneakers had to get done. And then we're talking about the Jordan 1 High Celadons right here in hand. And I must say, I'm sorry I didn't bring this in 2023, but guess what? I'm bringing it to you in 2024. And these bad boys here, they're absolutely hot. Let's check out some shots. Alright guys, so what's going on, man? Welcome back to another sneaker video. I told you guys we're going to get something edited up right now. Excuse if you see a lot of light going on. It is kind of like daytime. I kind of like have my room looking dark sometimes so I can do the videos. But apparently that didn't work this way. So hey, we might have a little light. So please forgive me for the light. But yeah, man, we're back at it again with another sneaker video. As you see in the beginning of the introductions, yo, we do have the Jordan 1 High Celadons. And I must say, colorway is actually pretty hot. If you want to know what Celadon is, I have no idea. I had to look it up myself. And it's actually the colorway. As you can see, Celadon is this nice green, or you want to call it, they call it a bluish green, but it actually looks green to me. But hey, look at this here. Hey, absolutely phenomenal. I do like the overlays of the actual sneaker here. We do have a Celadon, a nice sail, nice orange vibe to it. And I must say, the olive bottom is what sets it off for me. I do think these are hot. Now, if you want to know what size you want to go for, guys, ladies and gentlemen, go for true to size. As you'll say, typical Jordan 1. And I must say, they do fit perfectly. I think it was, I heard it was like a neighborhood lunch, but we did cop these up here, you know, where we at right here. And you can't beat it though. But let's just jump into the details of the actual sneaker here, guys. And I must say here, boom, let's jump right into it. We do have this nice Celadon look. As you can see, the green, nubuck suede, you want to call it, but it's like a nubuck look. As you can see, look at the fine touch. You just rub that finger across there. You see it. You see that nice little. That's just good material. Now, like again, guys, I hope that the lighting don't mess it up too much. I'm trying to balance it out with the light outside too. But yeah, we do have this nice nubuck look here as the Celadon green that's going around this actual sneaker here. Now, in the toe box, we do have this white, or I'll call it it's a white or sail look. A sail look going to it here in the toe box here. We do have a nice thin padded tongue, but the exposed foam on it as well. And we do have the green inside as well. And the inside of it is this Nike Air in all white. You can't really see it, the laces in the way, but it is a green inside. Now, I do want to say one thing here about this sneaker, and I'm gonna jump right into it right off the rip. I know we used to have this little look here on the back of it. I don't really know what that is. It's like a hard back to it. I don't know exactly what's going on with that. We usually have like a nice little cushion back, you know. I don't know what's up with that. But I don't think it'll really irritate the back of your heel as much. I don't think it will, because you do still have the nice padded inside of it. But it's just that hard back. I don't know about that back there, but I mean, it is what it is. Hey, something different, so it actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, we do have this nice little we do have like you see the little textures to it here. We do have it on this actual orange. We do have the nice orange Nike suede. I'm sorry, y'all. This orange Nike swoosh right here on the actual sneaker here. I'm just jacked up right now. Hey, I was sick a little bit, so I'm getting myself together here. But yeah, we do have the nice Nike swoosh here. I can't get it together right now. And yeah, on the padded tongue here, we do have the Nike in all orange with this actual like a sail tag, but the tongue is in the actual sail look as well. But as far as that, that's just the actual orange on it and the sail on it. We do have a nice sail here on the mid of this actual sneaker, and again to the toe box. And then here, the actual wings of the Air Jordan, I want to say that is a lighter of this Celadon look, or I guess you could say that's sail as well, because it's actually matching the actual rubber base of this actual sneaker here. But I mean, it's not too much to dive deep into. It did come with an extra pair of laces, guys. So if I can find it, we do have the move to zero look as well, as you can see, and then we do have the actual green laces that comes with it. I guess you want to call it a Celadon as well, but it looks green to me. But yeah, we do have, again, the actual cream laces as well. Now, you already know I got to ask you guys, what would you go with? Would you go with the cream? Would you go with the green? I haven't switched out the laces yet, but I'm thinking I like the cream, but I don't know. I might go with cream because I think the green may bring it up too much. And I could be wrong, but I won't know until I actually put them in the actual sneaker. So yeah, if you want to see that, y'all let me know. I would definitely put another video or a short video or something like that with different laces in it. But yeah, you already know. Let me know what you guys think. What lace would be actually great to go in these actual sneakers here. As far as that, guys, I do think it's a pretty cool cop. They did release last year. Was it beginning of December? I would say. I don't know for sure the actual date, but they did drop in 2023. But hey, we do have them here, and I just, like I said, just so much was going on. I just forgot to actually make a video on it. But yeah, we're bringing it to you now, and I must say I do like the look of it. You could add these to your top 10 Jordan 1 of 2023. I would say I might be pushing it. I don't know, but that's just my preference. I think it's worth putting in your top 10. I'm not gonna say it's a top 5, but I'm saying of Jordan 1s, I would say this. It might be top 5, man. This colorway is pretty slick. But yeah, I don't see too many bad things. It's you know, you don't see as much tumble in the actual in this actual leather here, as you can see. But I mean, it's okay material. It ain't as soft as any other one, but it's okay. It's not bad, but it's not good. But all in all, guys, I mean, that's pretty much all. I know it's not too long of a video. But again, I apologize for all the what can I say, lack of videos, guys. But as far as that, man, again, if you don't have these, definitely go see if you can find a pair. They should be everywhere by now. But yeah, Jordan 1 High Celadons is here in hand, and I do think that they are actually worth the cop, guys. Again, let me know what laces y'all guys would go with. Right now, I don't have both laces in, but yeah, I do think it's a perfect cop, though. So as far as that, man, love and bless. I do appreciate all the love and support that comes to the sneaker videos. And again, guys, I got more to come. Like I said, just gotta edit them up. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next sneaker video. Love and blessings. Yee!